first duty then is to say, look, where you've got terrorist bases, particularly in the illegally occupied part of Kashmir, dismantle, have those terrorist bases dismantled. People that foster terrorism or state-sponsored terrorism is fundamentally wrong, and we've got to counter that for all we can. In Pakistan, I'm afraid their economy is shot to pieces, and I think my message for them is that look, you've got to listen to what the IMF is advising you to do. You've got to bring your economy into shape. You can't just go appealing to the world for money and support. But you must put things right. And the first duty then is to say, look, where you've got terrorist bases, particularly in the illegally occupied part of Kashmir, dismantle, have those terrorist bases dismantled, and then restore peace. We do know, of course, obviously, that Afghanistan, Pakistan is part and parcel of the drug trade, the illegal drug trade that takes place, and we need to counter that as well. My personal view is that it was a mistake to withdraw from Afghanistan in the way that we did. Obviously, the Americans made the key decision to withdraw their troops, and that meant that we had to follow, because we would not be in a position to carry out the duties there by ourselves.